I have the Glue and Fly sport plane prototype out here this morning. I've switched out the motor. I had an 1805 1500 kV motor with an 8x4 prop, and it provided really good power, but not a lot of flight time. So I've switched it out with a 2206 1500 kV motor, and it's going to be spinning a Gem Fan 8x38 slow fly prop on 3S. Alright, launching. Alright, I gained some altitude through here, and then we'll put it into wind mitigation mode. I'm real curious to see how this is going to work out. I have my timer set for 5 minutes. Alright, we are in wind mitigation mode now. Come back through here and see what kind of power we have. Oh man, that has got the power, guys. That looked like unlimited vertical there. Now the question is, oh yeah, now the question is how much flight time we're going to get out of it. It's been quite a while since I have put this plane in the air. It is very, very maneuverable. Our left rolls look good. Right rolls look good. And this is just a little 3S 530 milliamp hour LiPo that I have in it. Very, very maneuverable. And it seems to have a pretty wide flight envelope too. Oh man, that little 2206 is awesome. It definitely has more power. Definitely has more power than it had with the 1805, and hopefully that will translate into nice stall turn. Hopefully that will translate into more flight time. Oh, that just spins around. I think that also I've stated that this is like the micro prototype, but I think it's actually going to end up being the mini. It's got a lot of lift. I think I'm going to put a little larger battery in it, so it's going to be, I don't know, I'll have to weigh it when I get back. But I think it's probably going to end up being close to, oh yeah, I think it's going to end up being close to 300 grams. So I am going to, I think I'm going to make a couple modifications to the airframe, but it flies so nice, I don't want to mess that up. So I think that since it's going to be heavier than what I was shooting for to begin with, I think I'm going to dub this one the mini, and then I think I will scale it down and make the micro, because I want the micro to be sub 250 gram. But I don't know, we'll see about the flight time. We'll see how much juice we got left in the battery. I'm not easy on it, and but man, am I happy with the power. If I'm not getting the flight time with this, then I will that I want with this, and I will definitely just be putting a bigger battery in it. I think I'm, but that is really that is really a great handling airframe, guys. I am so surprised. That is cool. I'm very happy with the way this prototype is turning out. Rolls look nice, tight and axial, plenty of speed on the rolls. I don't think I'm going to have to change anything on the linkage, other than I think I might add a little more movement on the elevator every once in a while when I'm pulling a loop or split S maneuver or something. It feels like I'm running out of elevator. But that is pretty darn cool, guys. Okay, there we go. I'm getting my haptic now. We're going to come back through. I'm going to put it on the ground before anybody comes through. And I want to see how much juice I've got left in that pack. Still feels like it's got pretty good power. Oh, that was a hard landing though. Alright, I switched it into manual mode there accidentally on landing. Let me see if I broke anything. Oh, everything looks good. Okay, so I am completely happy with the amount of power on this plane now. Let me put it into manual mode so it's not actuating here. Let me pull this battery out and let's take a look and see how much juice I have left in it. But man, I am happy with the performance, guys. That is unlimited vertical on that. Oh man, 3.2. I'm surprised the ESKY didn't shut down on me. So I am going to have to put a bit of a larger battery in it. I think I've got some 600 milliamp hour 3S LiPos that'll work in this. So when I bring it back out again, I will be bringing out a little larger battery. I am extremely happy with the way that this plane is handling. It is really stable, guys, and it has a wide flight envelope. It's got pretty good slow flight capability. When you hammer the throttle, it speeds up pretty good. And and the maneuverability and the aerobatic nature, and it seems like it's going to be a very forgiving airframe. So stay tuned. I've got some more testing to do on the power system, but I'm really happy with the airframe. So I think that on the when I do the next build of it, I think I'll be able to lighten it up just a little bit from where it is right now. So stay tuned for that. This will be the Mini. When I'm completely happy with it, I will publish the plans for it and links to all the electronics I'm using. I will scale this one down for the micro to get it sub 250 gram. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the air.